Hey guys, welcome to my channel which is Poonam Biology Tutorial. So today the topic is what is Zwitter ion or what is dipolarized ion. This Zwitter ion comes from a topic known as biomolecules of 11th NCERT. And we know that this biomolecule is a very important chapter for the NEET exam as well as all the entrance exam. 2 to 3 questions easily it will come from this chapter. So we'll go through all the important questions of this chapter. To follow that in my upcoming videos, to follow that questions, please follow my channel which is Poonam Biology Tutorial. And for the note, you can just follow my Instagram channel which is also Poonam Biology Tutorial. So the today topic is what is Zwitter ion. Before going to Zwitter ion, we have to understand what is amino acids. And we know inside the amino acid skeleton 4 different groups होते हैं जो कि कार्बन एटम के साथ अटैच होते हैं. The first group is amino group, the second group is carboxylic group, the third group is hydrogen, and the fourth group is R, which is also known as a variable group. This amino acid group is also known as a basic group. Why? Because this is a proton acceptor. Okay, and the carboxylic acid group is also known as the proton donor and it is known as a acidic group. Okay, and this amino acid can exist in 3 forms like acidic amino acid, basic amino acid or neutral amino acid. It depend upon the pH of the solution. किस solution में तुम्हारा amino acid enter कर रहा है उसके ऊपर डिपेंड करेगा its nature, acidic, basic or neutral. Okay, so we'll go through all the 3 conditions. The first condition is when the pH is less than 7, उसको क्या बोला जाएगा? Acidic solution, right? So अगर हम अमीनो एसिड को एक एसिडिक सॉल्यूशन के अंदर डाल देते हैं क्या होता है? We know in the case of acidic solution the concentration of proton is more or high. To maintain that, what will happen? Our proton acceptor, which is the amino acid group, will dissociate. NH2 plus will dissociate and accept the extra proton that present in that solution and it will become NH3 plus. Okay, so here you are getting one charge, that is plus charge, right? So cation or anion, obviously it is a cation, right? In the second condition, if the pH is greater than 7, like 11 or 12 or 13, so it is known as what? Basic solution. So in the basic solution, we know the concentration of proton is very less. Okay, to maintain that, our proton donor, which is the acidic group, carboxylic acid, will dissociate and convert into COO minus and H plus. Okay, so here also you are getting one charge, that is minus charge, which is an anionic group, right? In the third condition, in the physiological pH, like where the pH is about 7.2 or 3, what will happen in that case? Both of the ions, both of the group will dissociate immediately or simultaneously. Like the COH will dissociate, convert into CO minus and H plus, and that H plus will be accepted by our amino group and become NH3 plus. So in this condition, you are getting 2 charges, plus as well as the minus. So here how many charges are there? 2 charges are there. Plus charge means cation, minus charge mean anion. So bipolar, right? और इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? एम्फोटेरिक आयन, जिसमें 2 चार्ज प्रेजेंट रहते हैं, प्लस as well as minus. This Zwitter word comes from a German word जिसका मतलब होता है 2, जिसमें हमको 2 चार्ज एक साथ मिलता है. ठीक है, तो इस कंडीशन में when our amino acid is enter into a physiological pH containing solution where pH is about 7 or 7.2, both of the group dissociate and we can get 2 charges plus as well as minus, and that is known as Zwitter ion or bipolarized ion. To get more information about this, just comment what is your doubt and what is your perception about the Zwitter ion and what is your question about the biomolecule chapter, and we can obviously go through these questions. Okay, to go through all the questions, just follow my YouTube channel which is Poonam Biology Tutorial. Hope you understand my concept. Thank you.